A very good morning, students. Standard 5 English. Students, look at this picture. Who is he? Yes, he is a farmer. What a farmer is doing? Yes, he is plowing a field. Farmers are the backbone of large society based upon agriculture. The food that we eat is the result of efforts of farmers by plowing, sowing, and reaping the crops in the field. And they are very hardworking. They are the ones who feed the whole nation. They grow crops like wheat, rice, and fresh vegetables. In this class, we are going to see about the farmer and his daughters. This is a story about a wealthy farmer who distributed his wealth among three daughters. But before distributing the wealth, he wanted to know the ability of all three daughters. Before getting into the lesson, let us see few meanings related to this unit. The first one, distribute, give a share. Second one, millet, a cereal grown in warm countries. Third one, sacred, holy. Fourth one, harvest, yield, bullocks, a young bull. And sixth one, wisely, cleverly. Last seventh one, responsibility, power. Now let us move on to the lesson, the farmer and his daughters. In the village of Manipuram, there lived a wealthy farmer. He had three daughters. They were married and living their life happily. The farmer was getting old and he wanted to distribute his wealth to his daughters. But he wanted to know what responsibility he would give to each of his daughters. So he called all his daughters and gave each of them a bag of millet. And he asked them to use grains in the best way possible and then come back to him after 1 year. After 1 year, the daughters came back to their father's house. The father welcomed all of them. First, he called the elder daughter and asked about
what you had done with the grains given to you.
She replied,
Father, I fed those grains to flocks of birds that I saw on my way back to home.
The word flocks means group of birds of one kind. Next, the father called the second daughter and asked the same question. She replied,
Father, I thought those grains were sacred. So I mixed those with other grains kept for community food service so that everyone could have it.
After this, the third daughter came. The farmer asked her about the grains. She told,
Father, I don't have those grains with me now. I need 2 bullocks and men to get the grains.
Father was confused and asked her,
Why do you need bullocks and men to bring the grains?
The daughter smiled and said,
I sowed those grains and now it has grown as crops. So I need a bullock cart and men to harvest and bring back the grains.
Father was happy to know that she used the grain wisely. Students, do you know who is the wisest one? Yes, the third daughter is the wisest one. You also should be wise like the third daughter. Students, once more we recall farmer and his daughters. What did the father give to all the daughters? Yes, the father gave to all the daughters bag of millets. And what did the first daughter do? Yes, you can see the picture. The first daughter fed the grains to the flock of birds. And how did the second daughter use the grains? Yes, you can see this picture. The second daughter mixed the grains with other grains kept for community service. And how did the third daughter use the grains? Yes, you can see this picture. The third daughter sowed the grains. Students, once more you read and go through the Unit 2 supplementary, The Farmer and His Daughters. Thank you. Have a nice day.